Hey, welcome back to my video. I promised you in my last video that I'll be producing my content more regularly. In this video, I'm going to talk about a free website development offer. But there's a catch here. And the catch is you'll have to buy hosting. Now, if you are a newbie and you're not familiar with website development protocols, you'll have to understand that a website is based on a foundation, and that foundation is commonly known as hosting platform. It's pretty much similar to a house built on a land. You'll have to acquire a land first before you can build a house on it. You can only build a website if you acquire a hosting services. Now, in this video, if you look at the description of this video, there's a link. If you buy 4 years Black Friday deal given by Hostinger using my link, and on checkout page, if you use my coupon, Hisham Server, you'll get massive discount and the price gets way below $100 for 4 years. Now, nowhere in the world you'll get this amazing deal for having hosting for 4 good years under $100. On top of it, you get 1 year free domain name. You get unlimited SSL, which is free in the hosting package you buy. And most importantly, my company, will build a free website for you. That website could be a basic brochure site, a portfolio site, could be a blog. We'll set up a blog for you in WordPress. And if you require an e-commerce website, we will also build an e-commerce theme for you on WordPress using WooCommerce plugin, which is primarily the major plugin for e-commerce on WordPress platform. Look, folks, as we develop your website, you have to understand that you'll have to do the data entry yourself, because data entry could require writing a content and then putting that on your website. We will build a CBT, a computer-based training video, that will train you, educate you how to use the backend of your website. It's as simple as composing an email. It's as simple as watching a YouTube video. Data entry is done by you, not by my team, because all we are focused on is developing a website and giving you a nice looking website that has all the bells and whistles acceptable by the international standards, and it catches a corner of an eye of a potential buyer or a customer you wish to do business with. It does not get any bigger than this. This is one amazing Black Friday offer that by paying less than $100 for 4 years, not only you get a hosting offer, but you get a free website. What are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description of this video. Make sure that you buy 4 years Black Friday price for premium shared hosting. Do not buy anything else. Less than single shared hosting would not help you, because the website would get awfully slow. It's a shared host. But if you buy premium shared hosting, it is going to provide you a good speed. The website is going to load fairly quickly. As a matter of fact, if you're someone who pays a lot of premium on accuracy and speed, I would recommend you to go for business shared hosting, because my website, freelanceheropakistan.com, that covers the freelance stories of Pakistanis all across the country. It is built using business shared hosting. But if you can't afford that and you want to avail this Black Friday offer, I would recommend you to go for premium shared hosting. Rest assured, only if you buy from my link, use coupon code Hisham Server, we will build your website free. All information is given in the description of this video. Once you make a purchase, you are requested to send a receipt of your purchase, your payment that's made on hostinger.com, and send us an email. That's it. We'll take it from here onwards. I look forward to your purchases and participation in reshaping your future. The future is for those who have an online presence. What are you going to do about your online presence? I'm giving you an amazing opportunity. Hard to refuse. Let's just cash and leverage on this amazing opportunity. I look forward to speak to you in the next video. Bye for now.